Hello everybody, I am Ahmed. Today I am going to talk about CSO 462 homework for demonstration. It's the raycasting homework. First of all, my black hole object is in here, which collects the light that comes from this point spotlights, and all the spotlights hold it and ray casting up in here. Also, that is our seen objects, and that is our not seen objects in here. Also, there is a plane 1 and plane 0, uh, which is a object and plane of in here. In game object, we hold the or raycaster script. You can view via in here. Also, canvas and main camera in here. Let's click the game object. When we first of all we will delete all of the images that built earlier. Let's first of all let's try not black hole object and start the game. We can see the objects in here. Also we can view sorry we can view the objects in here without null. We get without black hole we get this image. Now close it and click the game object, open the black hole. Also our black hole influence is 20. That starts now, and I will show you rays from the lights real time. But in here we can view it. Our black hole object is here. Let's see that. Let's start. After click the scene, you can view the rays comes to black hole and it ends. Also our created objects, create image in here. You can view the image like this, and all lights comes from these spots collected in black hole, so that these objects cannot be seen as we seen in this image. Okay, let's close it and let's try as a black hole influence is a 5. Let's again come here and start again. Our lights comes here, waiting. Our influence is 5, so that we can see the updated image like that. So we can understand that our black hole object is more than again. Thank you for listening. Bitti.